Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out this magnetic car phone holder with MagSafe compatibility, and I have to say, I'm really impressed. The sleek mount uses powerful magnets to securely grip your phone while driving, keeping it perfectly positioned on your dashboard. The MagSafe technology means it works flawlessly with all compatible iPhones and other devices. Installation is super easy. Just stick the metal plate on your phone and you're ready to go. The adjustable design lets you rotate your phone to portrait or landscape mode, perfect for navigation or video calls. It's incredibly stable even on bumpy roads, and the minimalist design looks great in any car interior. Best of all, it won't damage your phone or leave residue. Whether you're using GPS, taking calls, or streaming music, this holder keeps everything within easy reach. For the price, this is an absolute must-have accessory, highly recommended.